What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're just going to do a brief overview of baby Doge. So we're going to go over that and then also go over Bitcoin, do some technical analysis here. But anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, not as financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. But without further ado, let's go over this. So as you can see, Baby Doge has dropped down from that previous resistance that we're talking about. We almost got past it. It was 1600, 8Z16. And yeah, we almost got past that resistance, but not quite there. And now, as you can see, we went below the 1400 support, 8Z14. So what we see here now is us going down here towards this 1250. But as you can see here with these indicators, you can see that we actually have a support line before that, which is going to be around 1300 to 1320. So we'll probably end up stopping around here at 1300 or 1320, and right before we pretty much bounce back up. And we'll have to wait to see if we can actually pass this area here at 1400 again. But it does look like we're about to bounce back down to 1320. Now, as you can see, this red area here for these indicators pretty much shows where that first support line is. You can see we actually respected it back here. And that was actually a pretty interesting area, because if we scroll in here, you can see I had this consolidation wedge drawn up here, and we pretty much were following it to a T. And these indicators are on point as well. So you can see where the indicators meet this. And I actually just now got these indicators, which is pretty crazy because I was following this manually and doing the technical analysis manually, and everything is pretty much on point and it's pretty much right and it's correct. So it's pretty interesting. If you're wondering what indicators I'm using the chart prime indicators. Link in the description if you want to check that out. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And as you can see, we're probably going to end up hitting that same support here again. So yeah, expect like 1300 or 1320 as we pull back down here for Baby Doge. That's pretty much what I'm expecting here very soon. Now, there is a possibility it continues to pull down a little bit more, and that's also why you see this wave forming upwards. By the time it gets to this 1250 area, it'll probably be like early July, like the 5th of July, maybe 4th of July. So we might see some movement coming up along there. So it'll probably end up meeting us at 1250. And I think we're going to have another pump coming in to Baby Doge, because as you can see, the bottom support wave here is actually rising, as you can see us pulling back down even more. So as we meet this area, possibly around 1250 or 1300, like I just mentioned, that's probably going to be when the actual price increase happens here for Baby Doge. So that's pretty much what we're looking at with that. But yeah, pretty good. I mean, we are down 6.6% in the last 24 hours, which kind of sucks. But what are you going to do? Now, the 24-hour trading volume is also really low as well, 1.1 million. That's pretty low. And like I said, if we get rid of the 10% tax, it would incite people, or it will really motivate people more to, do more trading. Like there'd be more volume if there is no tax. But not everyone wants to lose 10% on every transaction. It's just not what people want to do. But anyways, yeah, I'm obviously going to continue to mention that until we get the 10% tax taken off. But yeah, moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's kind of in a similar area here, but Bitcoin kind of looks a little bit more interesting. So we already hit the resistance here inside Bitcoin. We hit it multiple times. So let me take off that. But yeah, as you can see, back in April, we hit the same resistance all the way up here at about 31K. And you can see we also hit it over here, and then we pulled back again. And now we're hovering around 30K here inside of Bitcoin. So as you can see with these indicators, we're actually showing that we're probably going to end up pulling back down a little bit. Whenever you see these little tiny green lines right here, that pretty much shows where our next support is. So you're about to see Bitcoin dropping back down to 29K before the next increase in the price. And it'll probably get stopped again around 31.6K before it ends up going back down, if it ends up going back down, if we don't continue to pump here. But things are really leading to the upside, and you can see here with these waves, so they're really leading towards the upside. So pretty excited to see what happens next. But as this goes up, like I said, it's probably going to end up meeting it around here, like 29, 28K. Like I was saying with Baby Doge, we're probably going to end up seeing these. Or it's possible that it goes towards a wave like this and kind of stops around 27K if we go back down to 27K. So that's always a possibility. So we always want to keep the possibilities in mind as well. But the crypto market has been really weird for some reason. Like it just hasn't been moving like the way you would expect it to move. Like it's just been very, very volatile. But yeah, I mean, we were consolidating here with this, and we just ended up breaking right out of it. So I think as we continue to go back down a little bit more, we might have another wedge like that where it leads us past 31K, because 31K is really that major resistance area. And if we were to move past it, we probably wouldn't go too high above 31K. Maybe like 33K, like it's showing here, the top of this wave is at 33K. So it's always a possibility that we can also rise up to there. But I will keep you all in the know for this. But let's move off the technicals for a little bit. And if you're wondering the indicators, again, you can check out the link in the description. I use Chart Prime. So moving on to better things though. Over here, 1,762,862 holders. We've been increasing in holders. It does look like we lost a little bit of holders. We lost about 90 holders from the 26th till now. We're down about 90 holders from the 26th till now, which is not too bad. Not too bad, but we want to see us gaining more holders. In the last 2 weeks, we've gained more holders. We've gained 3,000 holders in the last 2 weeks. But in the last 2 days, we've lost 90 holders. So hopefully we can get those holders back. But anyways, now at 27.98 million inside of liquidity for Baby Doge Swap at 383K in the last 24 hours, and 3.6 trillion Baby Doge in the last 24 hours has been burned through those auto burns, which is at 5.2K. And yeah, if we get rid of the 10% tax, we won't have the auto burns anymore, but we could just do manual burns that outweigh the auto burns. So there's always that. Like I said, I'm going to keep talking about it until it happens. I definitely want to see it. But yeah, our top farm up here is losing a lot of money. We're at 1.9 million inside of this top farm. I remember when I was at 3 million, even I think at the highest, it was like 5 million. But yeah, this is at 1.9 million. We need to get this up. We need to get it up and running because it's down a lot. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I got for that. Not much has been going on in Baby Doge. So I think sooner or later we should definitely make that proposal official. Like the Baby Doge developers should make it official and have an official poll on the Baby Doge Swap website and then promote it on Twitter and see how many people want the 10% tax taken off, how many people want to keep it. That's the whole point of a community project, to have the community decide what we should do next. So we'll see what they do with that. I think they'll do it eventually. I think they're just waiting for the bull market. But I hope they do it before the bull market starts, so then we can get the full force of the bull market. But anyways, Baby Doge Swap has been dropping down on the ranks, rank 167. Like I said, I always bring the real, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I remember when we were at rank 90. Now we are at rank 167 for DeFi. So yeah, we need to get back up there. Everything is down, by the way, though. It's not just Baby Doge. If you look, just about everything is down a lot. So yeah. Don't think Baby Doge is the only thing that's down. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And again, if you want these indicators, go ahead and check out Chart Prime, linked in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video.